Games for Talking Teacher's Guide tutorial. On the front page, it shows the 3 levels, levels 1, levels 2, levels 3. Simply click the level for your students, and then it will show all of the different grammar points in that level. Here we're going to choose level 1, lesson 1, ABC Bingo. Simply click the button, and on the teacher's page it will show top left the summary for the teacher, bottom left shows the video tutorial and gameplay. This can be put to full screen. Top right is the script for the teacher to bring to classroom. Simply click once and print. Click again to reduce the size. And bottom right is the printable worksheet for the students whose power or computers are left at home. Again, simply click once, print, and click again to go back to the screen. To go back to the home screen, click here in the top left.